Hello everyone, my name is Ruby. I'm one of the online PT trainer at EnglishWise. Today is a great day. We have another great successful student with us, that is Anisha. She was aiming for 65 plus, ended up getting way more than that. She got 85 in speaking, 73 in reading, 73 in listening, and 71 in writing. She scored 75 overall. Well, congratulations Anisha on getting your desired score. Really, really happy for you. Could you please share your success story with all our viewers out there?
Thank you so much, Ruby. Like it was very pleasure to be the part of EnglishWise. I always had the problem with the speaking section. I attended the strategy class, and then gradually I attended the practice sessions, and it was very effective, I think. And the feedback I got on the practice sessions and the mock test was like one of the key role that helped me in scoring my desired score. And I'm happy with what I got.
That's good. Really happy for you. That means you mean to say the combination of the strategy sessions, practice sessions, and feedback sessions actually helped you to get your desired score. That's really good to hear about that.
Yeah.
Uh,
I
so,
think students should mm, give their best and listen to the feedbacks provided on the mock test. And I think it helped a lot to improve, for
yeah. So,
fast improvements. Like
yeah, because I know personally that you worked on your weak areas. So the feedback that you got from the trainer, you actually worked on those weak areas, and that's how you're just sharing your experience with us now. What is the one best advice would you like to give to all the students out there? Because not many students are getting their desired score these days, and because they're working full time, they don't have that much of time. Also, what do you think? What they need to do in order to get their desired score within a really short span of time?
I think they should really understand its sections properly and then give their best. And I think believe in themselves and listen to the feedbacks.
Okay, all good, Anisha. Thank you so much for sharing your overall experience with us. Really, really happy for you. Congratulations once again from the entire online English Wise team, and all the best for your future endeavors, dear.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ruby. Thank you.